Hello and welcome to the second lesson of this course, Protecting of Your Inventory. On the next step, we will protect ourselves from one tricky thing. The single-use code that we created gives, for example, 95% off. Yes, each person can use it only once, but there is no restrictions about the quantity of your product in that one single order. That means if your customer decides to buy 100 units, he'll get them for about $100 in total. You definitely don't want that to happen. That's why you should click on the menu Inventory, Manage Inventory. Here you click the Edit button next to the product you are going to launch. Go to the More Details tab and scroll down until you see the maximum aggregate ship quantity. Set it to 1 or 2 or 3, not more. That means how many units of this product you allow to buy in the one purchase. Scroll down and click Save and Finish. Sometimes this option you can find in the Offer tab. Sometimes there is no these options in some categories at all. So in this case you have to be more careful during this promotion. Okay, now we protected our inventory from a bulk ordering of your product with a big discount. Last thing that we have to do on the site of Amazon, we have to create a super URL. How to do that we'll learn on the next lesson.